So I saw a video yesterday of organizing your closets, this type of videos. I always aspire to have more organization in my life, in my room, in my house, but it doesn't always work. But I strive to perfection, and I fall down in the middle, the mediocre organized person. The thing I wanted to share with you in this video, she had a list of the things that your clothes should be. So I made a list of my own, and I want to share it with you. And let's start. I wrote this down, so I'll be checking on my phone. What's important in my clothes? First, I want them to look new. I don't want them to have an appearance of something that is wobbly and had washed out and had a lot of laundry and it's overused and old. I like my clothes to have a sharp color and very dominant color. I don't like the beige and the pink of really light pink. I like really strong colors. You probably see from the fabric choices that I use, the strong color always looks new and polished and bright, and I don't know, it just gives me a better feeling about them. Second, low maintenance. I don't like clothes that are wrinkly. You have to watch out how you sit in them, and every time you stand up you have to worry about the wrinkles, or you take it out of the dryer and it's very wrinkly and you have to iron it. I have some clothes that do that, mostly button-up shirts for the office, but I don't really use them much, maybe in the fall and winter. In the summer I'm all about dresses. I love dresses. And so no special laundry, hand wash, every other high maintenance clothes. I like the simple maintenance clothes. Put it in the washer, place it in the dryer, and hang it in the closet. So this is number 2. Number 3, I want them to complement my body and my body shape. I want to feel comfortable with them. I don't want them to be too tight, not too squeaky, not too clingy. And I don't want them to make noise as I go, because that will make me feel self-conscious. So that's it. Just to have clothes that complement my body shape, and of course my colors. I'm still not sure about the colors that fit my skin tone and everything, but I know that they are usually in the dark area, like dark blue, dark green, dark red, bordeaux, all the very strong colors. I noticed that beige and light pink and yellow, not my style, you know. Okay, number 4. I want them to feel nice on my body. I want them to be very soft and pleasant on my body. I don't want it to be itchy or uncomfortable and stiff or something. It should flow. You should feel comfortable and forget you have clothes on at all. 5, number 5 is my personal taste. Yes, I want them to reflect my personal taste. I want them to be feminine. I love feminine. I like the shade of feminine and the type of fabric, that the flow, the use of element like lace. You know how much I love lace, and ruffles, and really feminine style and clothes. So that's my list. And I think I had another one. What was it? I forgot. I'm sure I was thinking of another one, but I didn't write it down, so now I forgot. So I'm sure you have your own list. Please write below your list of things that are important for your clothes to be. And next step, of course, is to go over my closet and decide for each clothes, do I like it? Does it fit my list of important things to have in my clothes? And getting rid of some clothes. This is really hard. It's hard for me. I'm kind of a collector. For every clothes that I don't like, I tell myself I can change it. I can make it a bit longer. I can make it a bit wider. I can make it from a dress to a skirt. I can make it from this to that. Or if I don't want to improve this specific type of garment, I can always just use the fabric to do something else. I really struggle with saying goodbye to clothes because they have potential, you know. As sewers, we know how to change stuff. Each clothes has potential to be a better clothes. Unless we don't like the colors or the print or the fabric, we should like the pattern, the colors we should like, because we can use it to do other stuff. But if we don't like the fabric, if it's itchy or something, or if we don't like the color, if it's pink or light baby blue, I don't like it, and so I give it away. But if it has potential, we can remake it, we can revamp it, we can refashion it, we can change it to be a clothes that we love. So tell me your list of important things, please, and please consider subscribing in this channel. I sew all the time. I love sewing. It's a very handy hobby and I enjoy it very much. And I'm really excited for you to join me in my journey of improving my sewing. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I would love to read your comments. Goodbye and I will see you next week.